Colleges. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on introduction of income tax. Before discussing income tax, we have to understand what is tax. Tax is a main source of government revenue. And why does government charge tax? Actually, government provide us many facilities like road, educations, transportations, medical facility, subsidies and etc. For all these facilities, government requires money, and for social economic benefits, government charge different taxes. Now I would like to continue my topic and type of different taxes. There are two type of taxes: direct tax and indirect tax. Again, direct tax can be divided into two types: income tax and wealth tax. Now wealth tax is not applicable. It's all provisions included in income tax. And other one is indirect tax. Indirect tax basically it's charges on goods and services. For goods, there are many type of taxes like CST, VAT, excise duty and custom duty. CST, it's a interstate trade tax. VAT, value added tax, it's a intra-state tax. Excise duty, it charges on the manufacturing, so it's a manufacturing duty. And custom duty, it's a import export duty. Another one is service tax. Service tax is charges on the services. In indirect tax, the tax burden can be shifted on another person, so it is called indirect tax. And the indirect tax, income tax is charges on the income of assessee, which cannot be shifted to others, so it is called direct tax. In India, first of all, Sir James Wilson of British government introduced income tax first in 1860, but after detailed act introduced in 1886. According to procedure of income tax, there are three steps. First is computation of taxable income. After that, computation of amount of the tax, and third one is tax recovery and administration. For all these steps, we have to understand before that essential acts and rules for income tax are following. There are 6 important acts and rules and notifications which are compulsion for income tax department to keep in mind. So first is Income Tax Act 1961. First of all, 1961 Income Tax Act, it introduced what is income tax in whole India. It applicable on whole in India. Firstly, Sir James Wilson, the British government, has introduced income tax in 1860. After that, detailed act introduced in 1886. Next one is the procedure of income tax. Actually, there are 3 steps in procedure of income tax. First is computation of taxable income. Second is computation of amount of tax. And third one is tax recovery and administration. For all these steps, we have to first of all understand the essential act and rules for income tax, which are following. For all these act and rules and notifications are compulsory for income tax department to keep in mind to calculate the income taxable income and income tax. The first one is Income Tax Act 1961. इनकम टैक्स 1961 जो है वो इनकम टैक्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. एक्चुअली ये बताता है कि पूरे इंडिया में ये एक साथ एप्लीकेबल होता है. इसमें 298 सेक्शंस, सब सेक्शंस और 14 इसके शेड्यूल्स भी हैं. देन इनकम टैक्स रूल्स 1962, एक्चुअली इट इज़ द सप्लीमेंट ऑफ इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961. It describes detailed information about the act of 1961 Income Tax Act and different forms and performa related to the Income Tax Act. And after that, government notification. Actually, Finance Ministry different times on different aspect of income tax issued different notifications like how to calculate capital gain and approval of provident fund. So all these all other notifications and government time to time release. And third point is government notification. Actually हमारी जो फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री है इनकम टैक्स रिलेटेड डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट पे टाइम टू टाइम डिफरेंट नोटिफिकेशन इशू करती है जो रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं हमारे इनकम टैक्स रिलेटेड, जस्ट लाइक computation of capital gain and approval of provident fund and another matters. After that, Finance Act is annual. Everyone knows that Finance Minister present Finance Act or budget every year in Parliament. In Finance Act इनकम टैक्स से रिलेटेड जितने भी अमेंडमेंट्स हैं उनको इशू किया जाता है, और इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को इनकम टैक्स के लिए टैक्सेबल इनकम काउंट करने के लिए और इनकम टैक्स चार्ज करने से पहले इन सारे अमेंडमेंट को भी ध्यान रखना कंपल्सन है. आफ्टर दैट, सर्कुलर एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स डिफरेंट डिस्प्यूटेड मैटर्स एंड डाउट को क्लियर करने के लिए टाइम टू टाइम सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स ने सर्कुलर एंड क्लासिफिकेशंस इशू किए हैं. और सभी उपरोक्त जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, टैक्स एक्ट है, रूल्स है, नोटिफिकेशन है, फाइनेंस एक्ट है, इन्हीं के साथ साथ में हमारे इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को जितने भी क्लैरिफिकेशंस और सर्कुलर्स हैं सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स के द्वारा जो इशू किए हैं उनको भी ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. द लास्ट इज कोर्ट डिसीजन. एक्चुअली जब भी एसएससी और इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में किसी भी तरह का डिस्प्यूट होता है तो ये डिस्प्यूट मैटर जाते हैं हमारे सुप्रीम कोर्ट या हाई कोर्ट पे, तो उनके डिसीजंस जो आते हैं तो इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट को इन 5 पॉइंट के साथ ये 6 पॉइंट जो कोर्ट्स के डिसीजन है उनको भी फॉलो करना कंपल्सरी. थैंक यू. प्लीज like, share and comment on our video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.